Indian Evidence Act 1872, Act number 1. We have 3 parts and total 11 chapters and 167 sections under this. So, first part is the relevancy of fact. Chapter 1 is preliminary. Section 1 to 4. Section 1, short title, extent and commencement. Section 2, repeal enactments. Section 3, interpretation clause, quote, fact, relevant fact, fact in issue, document, evidence, proved, disproved, not proved, India, may presume, shall presume, conclusive proof. Now next is the chapter 2, that is the relevancy of fact. Under this we have a section 5 to 55 section. So Section 5, Indian Evidence Act. Section 5, evidence may be given, fact in issue of relevant fact, relevancy of fact forming part of same transaction. Section 7, fact which are occasion, cause or effect of fact in issue. Section 8, motive, preparation and previous and subsequent conduct. Section 9, fact necessary to explain or introduce relevant fact. Section 10, things said or done by conspirator in reference design. Section 11, facts when facts not otherwise relevant become relevant. Section 12, in suits for damage fact tending to enable court to determine amount are relevant. Section 13, fact relevant when right or customs is in question. Section 14, fact showing existence of the state of mind or body or bodily feeling. Section 15, fact bearing on question whether act are accidental or intentional. Section 16, existence of course of business when relevant. Next is the part of admission. Section 17 is the admission defined. Section 18, admission by party to proceeding of or his agent. Section 19, agent or by suitors in representative in character. That is all about section 18. Section 19, admission by person whose position must be proved as against the party to suit. Section 20, admission by person expressly referred to by party to suit.